Let's see how to fix SSL error in Hostinger. I will show you two methods to fix your SSL error, and I am pretty sure that one of them will help you in fixing your error. Log into your Hostinger H panel. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage. Now select the domain which is causing SSL issue. Once your domain is selected, from the left menu click on Security. Now select SSL from here. Now check whether the SSL is properly installed or not. So for this domain, SSL is currently installing. So now if I select any other domain from here, and as you can see that SSL is properly installed and active. After checking SSL is properly installed or not, if your SSL is not properly installed, then you can contact the Hostinger support. The second way to fix this issue is that from the left menu click on Domains. Now select Redirects. Now here you will see the redirect option. Now from here select URL and now redirect to select HTTPS. Now enter your domain name here and then click on Create. And as you can see that now our redirect is created and all the HTTP links will be transferred to HTTPS. If still your issue is not resolved, from the top click on this question mark icon. Now select Start a new chat from here. Click on Start new chat and now you can contact the Hostinger agent and they will definitely help you out. So this is how you can fix SSL error in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.